Hey everyone, in this video we'll cover the 10 essential Git commands you will use every single day as a developer. These commands make up 80% of your Git workflow. So as you can see, I created GitLab repository, and now we are going to clone this repo. I have already set up my SSH keys, so I will go with SSH, but if you haven't set up your SSH keys, you can go with HTTPS. Then you need to authenticate with your GitLab username and personal access token. But we'll go with SSH, so I will do git clone and paste that URL. I will cd into this repository. And what git clone does, it downloads the entire repository from GitLab to your local machine. It creates a new folder with the same name as your repository, so in our case it's git demo. It copies all project files into it. It's readme markdown in this case, and GitLab git clone also includes a hidden .git folder. So if you check this hidden folder, that's how it looks. This folder stores all your commit history, branches, and configuration. Git clone also automatically sets up the connection to GitLab as origin for that repo. And origin is a remote name that refers to the entire repository on GitLab. You can access different branches through origin main or origin feature, etc. So 80% of the time this is how you start working on any project. You clone it once and you're ready to contribute to it. So next command we'll focus on will be git checkout -b and name of the branch, or we can do git switch -c and name of the branch, for example feature at doc. What this command does, it creates a new branch and switches to it in one command. And branches let you work on features without affecting the main code. So 80% of development happens on feature branches. You create a branch, you make changes, push it, create a merge request, and this way main branch stays stable while you experiment on your future branches. Now we will make changes in our feature branch, but before I start I want to emphasize that there are three states in Git. First state is working directory. It's untracked modified files. Second state is staging area. It's all about files ready to commit. And third state is repository. It's committed files. So let's start by creating a file. We will do echo documentation and docs markdown and this project demonstrates git basics. So we'll do git status, and we are now in a working directory state. Whenever you see untracked files, it means you're in a working directory state. So what git status does is it shows you what files changed, what's staged, and what branch you are on. So 80% of Git confusion comes from not knowing your current state. So run this before and after every operation. Git status is your best friend, so use it constantly. Now we will focus on command git add. And git add, it's all about staging area. Staging area state, second state. So we brought the changes, we brought this file untracked file from working state into staging area state. And what Git add does, it moves your changes to the staging area. As I said, think of it as a shopping cart before checkout. So Git add dot, it stages everything, which is what you will use 80% of the time. The other 20% you might stage specific files with git add and name of the file. You would run this when you want to commit changes separately or break work into logical commits. So the next command we'll focus on will be git commit. So git commit -m and your message. So we will add a message at documentation file, and commit saves your staged changes as a snapshot in Git history. Specifically in Git objects directory, your history is going to be stored here as SHA-1 files, and -m flag lets you add a message in line, and 80% of commits should have a clear, simple messages like add login feature or fix bug in dashboard. You should write messages that explain what changed, not how, since your code shows the how. And next command we'll focus on will be git push -u origin feature at doc. And git push, what this command does, it uploads your local commits to GitLab. 80% of the time you will just type git push and it works. The first time you push a new branch, you might need to type git push -u origin and name of your branch to set up tracking, but after that just git push works. So we can see the changes. In our feature branch. As you can see, it's here. And once we did push, as you can see, it also provides us an option to create a merge request. So we can go here and we can choose a branch. So currently we are bringing changes from this feature branch into main, but we can change this branch, right, if you have other branches. So you can add a assignee like yourself, you can add a reviewer, and you create a merge request. And in merge requests, you can see changes that will be integrated from feature branch into main branch. Your pipeline jobs will be here, commits, and whenever you are ready, you will just click on this merge button. And now we will focus on git pull command. And before I run any git pull command, I will simulate teammates change by going to main branch and updating readme. Let's say I will add hello world. This is a commit message, add hello world and a main branch. So readme has been updated in our main branch, and what we'll do now is we will switch to main branch, and we'll do git pull. And what git pull does, it downloads new changes from GitLab and merges them into a local branch. 80% of the time you will run this at the start of your day or before starting new work to get your teammates' latest changes. So think of it as syncing your local copy with the team's work. Yes, you can see README has been updated, so we can confirm this by doing grep hello world. And next command we'll focus on will be git merge. So we will switch to the branch we want to integrate changes into. In our case, it's going to be main. So I'm already in the main branch. You switch to branches with git switch or git checkout. Git switch is a newer way to do it. So we'll do git merge feature add doc and bring the change. We'll add the commit message and we'll push the merged result. And what git merge does is it combines changes from one branch into another. Here we are merging our feature branch into main to bring our new documentation into the main code base. In reality, 80% of teams don't merge locally like this. They use GitLab's merge request instead, which is safer and allows code review before changes hit main. So as you can see, this was merged and the changes are integrated. They're here. So that's how you combine changes. And the next command is going to be git log. Git log shows your commit history. So this is first commit ID. It's commit message, second, third, fourth. And you can also run this with one line flag, which makes it more readable. And 80% of the time you will use this to quickly see recent commits, find commit IDs for reverting, or understand what changed. Think of it as your project's timeline. Here it's our first commit, commit message, second commit ID, and both branches are referring to this commit. It's a commit message, local feature add doc branch, and remote one. And third commit with commit message, and fourth commit ID with commit message, and it also shows that head is pointing to main, origin main, and origin head. Head main means I'm currently on my local main branch. My origin main is GitLab's main branch is also at this commit, and origin head is GitLab's default branch pointer. Usually it's main, but it can be changed in GitLab settings. So that's how git log works. Thank you.